Welcome to the crazy world of rectangular. This is how IB will put resistors on their tests. Okay, where can we start? I guess I could do the 2 and the 3, right? That would be a... I could nibble away at this, right? That's a 5. Because there's no junction or anything here, right? 5 and a 7, I definitely could do that, right? 5 and a 7 is 12 ohms, right? And then if you look, I've got a 12, and just remember that, just think of that as one resistor, right? A 12 and an 11 connected in parallel, right? So that is 12 to the minus 1 plus 11 to the minus 1 to the minus 1. It's going to be less than 11, right? It's always less than the smallest resistor. 12 to the minus 1 plus 11 to the minus 1 to the minus 1. Can you guys hear Gorka shouting over there? It's a happy shout. Okay, so 5.739 is what I get for this thing here. That's that, right? Now I've got a 5 ohm, a 5.739, and a 3 ohm, right? And that's series. It goes through this guy, through this guy. You got to picture it as just one resistor. That's just one resistor. It's a 5 ohm. This is one resistor. It's a 5.739 and a 3, right? So that's going to be 5 plus 5.739 plus 3, okay? So 5 plus 5.739, I just hit up arrow on my calculator, plus 3. And I get 13.739. That's this. Not quite done yet, right? This is all one resistor from here to here, right? And it's 13.739, and it's in parallel with an 11. Okay? You picture that? So this guy is going to be 11 to the minus 1 plus 13.739 to the minus 1. Are we ready for this? Okay, so I'm going to go left parenthesis 11 to the minus 1. Then I'm going to go up arrow, grab this value that's 13.739, but it's not rounded. Whoops, I forgot to add. Okay, second insert, add. And I got to raise that to the minus 1. Parenthesis to the minus 1. So that's 6.1089. Right? 6.1089. Now look, from here to here is just a 6.1089. Now it's a mess of things, right? Okay, but from here to here, it's just one simple resistor. Now if you look at the Uber circuit, we've got a 3 plus 6.1089 plus 5. Let's do it. 3 plus this guy plus 5. And I get 14.1089. Ta-da.